Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix critical process died on Windows 10 or 11. You got BSOD, blue screen like this. So the cause is vary. For example, there is a case just reinstalled Windows 11 and you got blue screen, critical process does, and so on. So it can be a vary of factors, including software, hardware, or driver issues. Reinstalling Windows can sometimes resolve software-related problem, but it may not necessarily fix hardware issues or certain driver problems. So you can hardware checks. The first to diagnose, the first step is you can check your RAM, hard drive, or GPU. Make sure all your hardware components are properly seated and functioning correctly. And consider running hardware diagnostics tasks if available if for your system to check for any hardware problems. And also ensure all your device make sure all your device drivers are up to date, including graphic, chipset, network, and any other drivers. And then we keep Windows 11 up to date with the latest update and patches. A The update you installed after the crash was a good move. Software conflicts. Sometimes third-party software can lead to screen errors. If the issues start happening after installing specific software, consider uninstalling or updating it. So for example, if you install a app, cracked app or illegal apps, a this often happens. So start using a official app. Yeah, check for overheating. So sometimes if you're doing overclock, a overheating can cause your system instability. Memtest, memory test, run a memory test using Windows Memory Diagnostic or third-party tools to check for RAM issues. And also cable and hardware connection, check for malware, high bandwidth usage, and logs and mini dump files. Yeah. And also you can open this troubleshoot and help prevent computer problem. You can go to the Windows Run, and yeah, you can type the text exactly like this: msdt.exe a space and then id space device diagnostic. Here you can click next and wait for the